Hey everyone, we have a really short video here today. For once, we didn't have to do tons of work to a new RT-1165. So it's about 4.5 minutes. It's worth watching if you need to change a pinch roller in the deck. It's pretty easy. Most things are not in there. So, but it looks like this deck had been gone through and people have changed out the normal trouble areas like the take-up pulley, take-up idler, and the rewind gear. And the belts look great. So take a look at this if you're going to be changing out a pinch roller, and I hope they're all this easy. Okay, so we have our new Sharp RT-1165. All the lights seem to work. Let's see what's wrong here. It's actually playing, which is a shock. I don't know what I have on this tape, but so that's working. Fast forward seems to work, and rewind seems to work. So what's actually wrong with this guy? So I'm gonna go ahead and get a tape and that has music on it and turn on the amplifier and let's see what we got. Okay, I remember on this one, I'm gonna pull this in and see if I can get some light on the, look at the pinch roller. It's dented and it almost looks like tire tread on it. That's not good. So I think where we're going to start, before I put a tape in, I don't want to ruin my tapes. Let's put a new pinch roller in. So yeah, let's try that. Okay, I've gotten the mechanism out. And what do we see? Well, maybe I've been in this machine before. Someone has changed the rewind gear because it's not, that's this guy. It's not the red that's normally there. And the tire looks really good. And let's look in, can we see? I don't see any goo. So I either have amnesia, and I did work on this, which is possible. I've had a bunch of them. So, which is good, saves us a lot of work. The belts seem fine in the back as well. And as you remember, it was playing, rewinding, fast forwarding. But I saw this horrible, you can see on the pinch rollers cracked. So I have another one pulled out of my donor machine. It looks a lot better. So let's see, it's easy. You can just, let me get back up here. Sorry for all the movement. Let me see if I get a pointer here without messing up the picture. This guy has just one little CE clamp, whatever you call them. We're gonna pop that off and then just rearrange the spring, and it pulls right out. So it's really easy. One thing that's really easy on this is to remove it. And I'm not gonna remove the pinch roller. I'm just gonna replace the whole assembly. That way I'm not bending it and things like that. All right, so let's get that off. Okay, so we've got it in. This is the new one. I was testing it a bit here. So, oops, wrong button. So you can see it engages. Looks proper. It disengages. So, I still can't remember if I've been in here or not, but I know what I have to do. Let's clean it. They got all that oxide and quite possibly cigarette smoke in there. Let's give her just some alcohol and clean around that pinch roller. Clean the heads. They're accessible. A lot of dust in there. So let me see if I can get that cleaned up for you. Okay, so there you go. This 1165 had everything already done to it except the pinch roller, and that made the job much more easy. So a very short one this time, changed out the pinch roller and everything works fine.